What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. And today I am finally opening my iPhone 14 Pro Max in the color gold. So I knew I was gonna get the new phone, but I wasn't really in a hurry, so yeah, but I got it anyway. So here we go. Today is Sunday and it was delivered last Tuesday. It was actually on back order. They said it would be delivered, well, they said it would be shipped by October 21st, but it came early. So here we go. Y'all, Jordan trying to intro in the video. You want to say hello?
Yes. Hello. New iPhone.
So first I was going to give Jordan my 12 Pro Max, but I think I'm gonna keep it just for like recording and stuff. But here it goes.
Aw, I love this new iPhone.
Yeah, I'm excited.
You show it to the people you got it.
I gotta show it to the people.
Yeah.
Okay. And the iPhone part, if it'll focus. Not gonna focus.
Focus, too.
It's not gonna fall. I don't know why it's not focusing. There it go. A little bit, yeah. It's in gold. So it's gold. Yeah, I'm excited.
Aw, I also love a new iPhone.
You do?
Yeah.
You wanna take a thumbnail with me?
Yeah.
You're gonna hold it up. Hold it up. Hold it up.
Whee!
Okay, we're gonna say cheese. Hold it up. You gotta show your face. Show your face. Say cheese.
See?
Okay. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm sorry, y'all. My neighbor, I guess they're mowing a while. But we're gonna go ahead and open the phone. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, let's go.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I side. Don't leave me here